Get ready to experience luxury, value, and performance with a Newmar Northern Star 4037. Let's discover why it's the best choice for your next adventure. Hey everybody, we have a real treat here with a 2025 Newmar Northern Star 4037. Let's take a quick walk around. I love this teal green paint job, absolutely meticulous. And as you come around here, you got lots and lots of storage. As you can see, right over here is going to be an electric panel and access to your generator, real easy to get to. And as we come over here, you have your house batteries and your propane. Look how big that propane tank is. And if you look even closer, all these slide outs are absolutely flush slides. If you go underneath, look how big that pass-through storage is. You have 3 compartments on this coach that provide pass-through storage. And we get over here, I love the stainless finish on the outdoor water station. You have your low point drains, you can access black tank flush, your freshwater connection, outdoor shower, inline water filter, all heated and enclosed. So that's going to take you where you want to go there. And back over here, we have access to our 50 amp cable. And as we come up, you got the Truma Aqua Go comfort system. And back here, you can access some of your vital fluids for this coach. And like I said earlier, it's on the XCR chassis, has a Cummins 6.7, 360, 800 pound-feet of torque. We have your chassis batteries, easy access to that. If they needed to access that particulate filter for the DEF system, they could do that there as well. And as we slide down, let's take a look. Wow, this is something. This looks like a transfer switch for like a New York City train line or something, but yeah, it's probably above my pay grade, I'd say. All right, again, access to all that under storage, central vac, extra tiles for your porcelain floor, more storage, outdoor TV, 40-inch TV in there with a sound bar, and this is absolutely wonderful. I love the Freightliner chassis because you can fill your diesel on either side, which makes it tremendously convenient when you're going down the road. Hey guys, let's go inside. Okay, as you come in, I just love these beautifully appointed captain's chairs up in the cockpit area. And then you have the Freightliner XCR chassis with the digital dashboard. It's going to tell you what your air pressure is, your oil temperature, your oil pressure, and the temperature of your engine as well. And you can change all the different screens. And speaking of screens, they got this beautiful Sony controller over here that's going to be linking to your phones. It's going to give you all your camera angles, all that, and there's a bunch more going on over here, including the hydraulic leveling system. Right above my head is actually a bunk. It's electric. It's controlled just with a push of a button. Nice and easy. But look how beautiful. I love these off-white cabinets. They're just like a linen white or something like that. But look how big this room gets. And I love the fact that they got the TV on a televator over here. And as we slide over to the kitchen, this easy to access is a quick little push button lock that you disconnect, and this pulls right out. Solid surface counters, nice big 3-burner stovetop with 3 drawers underneath, and a huge convection microwave. I believe it's an air fryer as well, so there's a lot going on in there. And look at all the extra cabinetry up above. Huge undermount sink, and it's so deep. The counter is so deep. You have plenty of room to put all your appliances and everything that you want up in the kitchen area. We're going to spin right around to the dinette. Now this is a regular luxury comfy dinette. You can sit back to the cushions towards the back there, but this still makes a bed. And then look what's on the side of it. You have these huge stadium seats over here that recline, push button reclining, push button retraction, USB plugs, plenty of room for all your beverages, snacks, and everything else that you want to keep inside the coach. And a lot more cabinetry up above. I love the solid wood maple cabinetry and trim work that they do. Really excellent. This Northern Star is a lot more coach than I thought it was going to be. It has a half bath in the middle, and then it has a counter-mounted sink here. It's kind of stylish. And in this little half bath, they have a beautiful medicine cabinet that opens up. There's all the storage underneath the sink. Huge linen closets in here, as well as a porcelain toilet and a fantastic fan. And as you come over here, you have this touch screen that you're going to be able to control the whole house with this, and you can see all the key features and important aspects of this coach. Check on your electrical systems. I can see the house power is going down a little bit. We have a lot of lights on. You can pair this whole thing with your phone, so you can run this whole panel on your phone. You can control your HVAC from here, as well as all your lights in all the different rooms. As you slide on back, take a look at this huge 20 cubic foot Whirlpool refrigerator, and it has built-in ice and water for you, and a nice freezer down below that has more ice. So you have all kinds of things going on in here, as well as this huge pantry off to the right. You have to take a look. This is about 2+ feet deep, and each one of these shelves is about a foot tall and about a foot wide. So there's a lot of cubic feet of storage right there. As we slide along, you have your wardrobe area. You have 5 drawers and then a component cabinet down below in the glassed area. You have a couple of nice hanging closets in here as well as a vanity area where you can put your day's clothes in the morning. Of course, they have a TV in the bedroom. Why wouldn't they? You spin around and you have a beautiful king bed. And I love the fact that they give you all the pillows and shams and everything that you need for this bedroom, so everything matches just perfectly. But it's real easy on the eyes. It's soft. It's a cool, calm feel in here. Let's go into the master bathroom. As we slide in over here, straight ahead, this beautiful sink vanity area. And again, it's deep. You can keep all your mouthwash and hair dryers, hairbrush, toothpaste, all those things that you need. Again, another cabinet that opens up. And look how deep. It's about 8 inches deep. And it's felt inside here, so your stuff's not going to slide around when you travel. And a little more storage underneath for cleaning supplies and things like that. And then, of course, you have the washer dryer combo, which is super, from Splendide. That's really important when you're traveling long distance, to be able to wash your clothes conveniently. And over here, not only do you have a porcelain toilet, but you also have this escape hatch that's over here. But it flips out, folds down, it comes with stairs that's built right into the door. Nice and easy. If you were to have an emergency, you can get out no problem. Of course, you have these multiplex panels wherever you need them, all around the coach. This is a fantastic rig. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Ready to hit the road in style? Visit campersin.com to learn more about the Newmar Northern Star 4037. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below where you would go RVing with this great rig.